This is my version of the Red Hood suit from the Batman comics. 5 rounds at close range, 0 backface deformation, just a little bit of paint that chipped off from hitting the clay block.
So there's a bullet wedged right here, little lump, and it's right there on the surface. So, stopped it cold, and it looks awesome. So,
I made 2 plates for this. They both have equal ballistic specs, but the one that doesn't look as nice gets to go through the torture test. This is what happens to lead when it has 759 foot-pounds of energy and is stopped in less than 1/8 of an inch. As this single plate stops 6 of these at close range along with multiple 9mm, and where versions of the Batman suit are typically rated for small arms fire, this seems suitable for Batman to me. If you'd like to get more information on this, I will be posting a maker type video, sort of like my other videos that I've posted. I will also be posting the raw uncut demo footage of these plates so that you can see that there was no swapping of the plates or other funny business that went on these tests. The only difference between these plates is that the demo plate is completely wrapped in fabric, both the flak shield and the shock plate, whereas the more theatrical looking plate, just the flak shield is wrapped in fabric and the shock plate is left as a raw plate. I have spent 2 years in testing many plates to try to get the right composite.
Ooh, shoot! It went through. Yeah.
Needless to say, not all of them have worked. So as far as improvements go for this, it's phenomenal. It looks great, it feels great, it's light, it's mobile, and it's got great ballistic protection. The only thing is the logo. It's, as you can see, the bottom came loose here from one of the impacts. I would probably try to find a different way to do that. I might even actually like bolt it into through the flak shield into the hard plate, but I can always find that out. Live and learn. So it works really well. It's really tough. All in all, turned out great. Thanks for watching.